We'll guide you through how to fix Face ID not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem with Face ID not working because Face ID is a quick and convenient way of unlocking your iPhone, and as well as that, also authenticating different things across your iPhone, like Apple Pay and other things as well. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try for when it's not working. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So without any other further ado, let's get started. First of all, do just go and inspect where Face ID is at the top here. Make sure you haven't got a screen protector which is damaged or slipped, or you've just installed it, which could be causing it, and make sure you haven't got a case covering it up as well. So just make sure it's free and that it's clean as well. I recommend using a microfiber cloth just to go and give it a clean. Now go and see if that solves it. If it doesn't, the next thing I'm going to try doing is a forced restart. Sometimes go and doing a restart like this can go and resolve it. So to do that, we need to do a certain key combination, or a button combination, I should say. Go and press the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. I'll guide you through that now. So volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold that side button. You'll go and see this screen here. It says slide to power off, but just keep it held down. Shortly, the screen is going to go black. We'll keep it held down though. You're only going to go and release when you go and see the Apple icon. Like this. You can go and see it's now starting. And it shouldn't be too much longer, and it's going to be back on. And then hopefully Face ID will go and be working. It's now come back on, and the first time you go and start your iPhone, you will need to go and use your passcode anyway. So go and type it in, and hopefully now if you go and try and unlock your iPhone again, it will now go and be working. If it is, great. If it still isn't, the next thing you want to try doing is coming to your settings. Now you want to go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for Face ID and passcode. Enter in your passcode. At the top here, just make sure what you use Face ID for, that it's switched on. Otherwise, that's why it's not working. And in other apps, you can allow apps to go and use it as well. Make sure that's switched on. If they're all switched on, but it still isn't working, come down, and what we can do is go and set it up again. So press Reset Face ID, and what you can do is go and press Set Up Face ID. And then what you can do is go and scan your face again. So I'm now going to do that now. Position your face in the frame and follow the setup instructions. Then what you can do is we'll press Setup later. Now we've gone and done it, try using it again. And hopefully now it's going to work after you set it up again.